Hello, welcome to Wikipedia World, and this time we're going to tackle about kinds of respiration. Let's define first what is respiration. When we say respiration, that is a process by which cells convert food in energy. The food from which energy is released is mainly glucose. We have two types of respiration. First, we have the aerobic respiration, and the second one, we have the anaerobic respiration. We have also two stages involved respiration. The first stage, we have the glycolysis. In this stage, in glycolysis, it takes place in the cytosol. The cytosol is the clear portion of the cytoplasm. Here is where the enzymes needed for stage 1 are located. This process does not need oxygen. The process of glycolysis functions to split a glucose molecule into two 3-carbon molecules called pyruvic acid. This releases a small amount of ATP, but most of the ATP is still contained in the 3-carbon molecules. The second stage involves respiration. We have the Krebs cycle. It requires oxygen and takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. And on the next two videos, you're going to learn more information about glycolysis and also Krebs cycle. So this time, let's discuss the two kinds of respiration. The first one, we have the aerobic respiration. It uses oxygen to get the energy from food. For example, human. Living things that use aerobic respiration are called aerobes. As a result of aerobic respiration, ATP is released from food, and the energy released is used by the cell to perform its functions. Enzymes are used in this process. We have the basic chemical equation for respiration of aerobic. We have this equation or chemical equation. And for the anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not needed, although it can take place in the presence of oxygen. So aerobic, we need oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, we do not need oxygen. Carbon molecules, pyruvic acid, are then converted into other products. And anaerobic respiration is also known as fermentation. We have also two products of anaerobic respiration. We have the lactic acid, and lactic acid is produced in some bacteria, fungi, and muscle tissue. Pyruvic acid is changed into lactic acid plus small amount of energy. We have examples such as bacteria causing milk to sour, bacteria change cabbage to sauerkraut, bacteria changing dairy products to cheese and yogurt, and build-up of lactic acid in muscles, causing cramps and stiffness. The second product of anaerobic respiration, we have the alcohol fermentation. Alcohol fermentation occurs in some bacteria, yeast, and in plants deprived of oxygen. Again, The pyruvic acid formed by glycolysis is changed. Here it is changed into ethanol ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Pyruvic acid is changed into ethanol plus a small amount of energy. We have also uses of alcohol fermentation. It used for baking. It used for beer and wine production. And a lot of things involve alcohol. So as summary, we have here the diagram how lactic acid fermentation and alcohol fermentation occurs. So thank you for listening to Pedia World.